Hello friends, today we are going to continue chapter number 2, Cultural Heritage of India, Handicrafts and Frying Art, lecture number 10. Friends, as you all know that in this chapter we are discussing about the different types of arts. Up to now, if you have referred all the lectures, you might have understood that we have discussed about several arts which have placed India at an incomparable position in the world. Friends, we discussed in the previous lecture about one of the important art, that was metal art. Before that, we also discussed about the Jari art, the Jari work. We also discussed embroidery art. Friends, if we talk about Jari work and embroidery work, it is said these works are associated with the garments, clothes. Friends, in the past also, in the ancient time also, there were several people who were fond of wearing attractive clothes. Friends, even the royal peoples, even the rulers were fond of attractive clothes. They used to wear bright colored clothes. They liked such kind of weaving, then such kind of embroidery art on their clothes, jari items, jari work on their clothes. These made the cloth more shining and more attractive. Friends, in the previous lectures, we also learned about how the rulers, from rulers to the common people, how these ancient people were fond of ornaments that were diamond studded. That means that from the ancient period itself, people were fond of ornaments and jewelry. In the present time also, if we look, there are many people in our country who are fond of jewelries, especially the golden and silver ornaments. Friends, due to this reason, we consider these metals, gold and silver, as the precious metals. Even its cost is more in the international market. Friends, when we are discussing about the different types of arts, we all know, if we look at the different places as we discussed about the metal art in the previous lecture, we discussed that it was this art, it was this metal art which is considered as an ancient art, because after the Stone Age, when the people were using only the stone items, after the Stone Age, when metal came into use and people started using metals, the whole age was named after the metals, because metals were used in large proportion. Friends, here it is said, for daily routine, these metals were used. As we discussed, that many metal items were found from the remains of Mohenjo-daro, Harappan, Lothal, lots of civilization. When many archaeologists during the excavation work, when they found lots of idols that were made of metals, they found lots of utensils, toys, these all things were made of metals as well. And these metal work was also done very attractively. It looked very attractive, as well as it was very durable as well. Friend, that is the reason that this art also was very well known. After that, friends, when we are discussing about the metal, we learned that there are many war weapons in the ancient time when battle used to be there. when the rulers used to do war on each other, at that time also, these weapons through which these rulers used to fight the battle, these weapons were to be used. These weapons were made of metals, friends. So friend, we discussed about the usefulness of metals that were used and how these metals were produced. Now friends, today also when we are discussing about these important arts and when we are talking about such talent and skill arts, then when important art comes in our mind is the today's topic that we are going to cover. Today's art that we are going to cover, that is the wooden art. So friends, let us discuss today about the very important art since ancient time, that is wooden art. Friends, you all might have heard about the word wooden art. Wooden art means the art that has been conducted on a piece of wood. On a piece of wood. In the present time also, if you have visited many of the temples, many ancient temples or many ancient places, we can say the tourist places where many tourists still come to visit, you might have seen the ancient wooden art over there. If you enter the gate of that particular temple or the particular ancient place, might be made of the wooden art. Wooden art will be seen, might be seen on the doors, on the windows of such temples. Friends, you might have seen some ancient house in which the house, the balconies and lots of places in which wood was used in the maximum purpose. And on that wood they used to do many attractive designs. A lots of art was made. Friend, if we are talking about this wooden art, here it is said that when we start, that it is said initially, in the very beginning, wood was only used for producing fire. Friends, here it is said, if we talk about wood, here it is said initially, in the very beginning, wood was only used to produce fire. When men wanted, they started using fire in more purpose. This wood was the source for producing energy from fire, from this wood, for producing fire, we can say. As we all know that in the past many people used to burn the wood and produce energy from it. Friends, so at the initial stage, in the very beginning, this wood was only used for the purpose of producing fire. But as the time passed, this wood was started being using for several other purposes as well. As we all know, friends, we cannot consider this wood art a simple art. Because you might have seen the wood. If you take the wood from the tree, right? It's a simple wood. From that, if any person is making any kind of idol, if anyone is making any utensil, if they are making any attractive things, any designing from that, you can understand that how much concentration, how much hard work and what talent is needed for such kind of wooden art. Friends, here it is said that initially in the very beginning, this wooden art, here it is said wood was only used to produce fire. Then here it is said, as the time passed, initially it was used for only fire. Then as the time passed, wood was used for several other purposes. Friends, here it is said that as the time passed, after that wood was started using for several other purposes. Here it is said that as we all know that initially in the very beginning wood was only used for producing fire, but as the time passed, as I told, this wood was used for several other work. As we can discuss that many other works, here it is said wood was then used for making weapons. Wood was also used for making weapons, then construction of buildings, utensils, then as you all know that it is used for building house, utensils, then we can say it is also used for toys, etc. Friends, here we said as the time passed, wood was started using for several purposes. For example, weapons were made from wood. Then wood was also used in the construction of buildings. Then utensils, the utensils that were used in the home, that were also made of use. Several toys for the children were also made from this wood. Then here it is said, later on, wood was also used for making idols, then household things, decorative items. Friends, here it is said, later on, wood was also used in making idols, household things, and lots of decorative items. Then here it is said, it was also used in making doors, windows, etc. Even this wood was used in making doors and windows. Here it is said, after that, this usage of this wood started increasing. Now, wood was used for making furnitures like chair, table, bed, etc. Friends, after that, the usage of wood started increasing. It was used for making furnitures like chair, table, bed, etc. Here it is said. Then, as this usage increasing, now beautiful carving was done on these wooden items. Beautiful carving was done on these wooden items, means beautiful designs were made to make these all things very attractive. So friends, through this we can clearly understand that how this wooden art might be popular, as starting initially just for the usage of producing fire. From there, as the use of this wood started, people started using this art more and more. People started using this wood in a large proportion, and that is why most of the things were started producing by wood. So friends, here as we discussed that in the initial stage it started only with this. Here it is said initially it was only started with for producing fire. Then you can see as the time passed, then wood was used for several other purposes, like wood was then used for making weapons, construction of buildings, utensils, toys, etc. For all this purpose, wood was used. Friends, here it is said that after that even the swings were made from wood. Even the swings were made of wood, specially from children. Here it is said, toys of Idar and Sankeda in Gujarat are very well known. Friends, here it is said that initially it started just from the usage of for producing fire. Then we can see the use started increasing. It was used for several purposes. Then it used for making weapons, utensils, toys. Then as the time passed, later on wood was used for making construction of buildings, decorative items, lots of other things were made. Then after that the wood was used in the door making of doors, windows. Then wood was also used for making furnitures like table, chair, bed, etc. Now when this wood started being using in a furniture as well, in doors and windows, now beautiful carving started on this wooden item, and small attractive carving was done on a piece of wood. On a small piece of wood, very attractive designs of god, goddesses, human figures, animals, birds were made on a piece of wood. By this artistic carving, a piece of wood, which was a simple piece of wood in the beginning, now became a very attractive piece of any particular idol or any particular figure. So, by doing such a carving art on a piece of wood, they make this piece of, the artisans make this piece of wood very attractive. So friends, here we say beautiful swings were done on these wooden items. Beautiful carving was done. Swings were made from wood. Swings, you might have seen lots of children. They play on the swing in the gardens. So now swings started to be made from this wooden item for the children. Here they say, especially the toys that were made in Idar and Sankera, toys that are made of Idar and Sankera in Gujarat are very well known. Toys that were made in Idar and Sankera for children, these were very famous in the past. So friends, here we can see the importance of wooden art in our ancient India, how this wood came in our use, and how the demand of this wood started increasing. Today also, if we talk for the present time, we see lots of things that are made of wood in surrounding ourselves. Friends, if we look at our home, still lots of products are there, lots of items are present in our home that are made of wood. If we see lots of things, they are artistically skilled and made very attractive from a piece of wood. So this was the talent of our wooden artisans who made this skill worldwide famous and gave India a fame all around the world. Thank you, friends.